And for this side of the car, this is where it got hit and the tire is pretty bent in. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see how slanted it is. This side looks a little bit better than the other side. That side is supposed to look like. So I'm gonna take out this wheel. I'll take out the wheel and then investigate to find out what's going on in there. I think some of the control arms or something might be bent. I'll try to find out what's bent in there, then we can get it swapped up. But apart from that, we're gonna put the new rear bumper. I already have the tail light in the trunk and also the front. For the front, not really much, just the new bumper and the bottom shield, and that should be it. The new tires, because you can see this one's a board. And this, we're gonna do some little body work right here. That I'll pull it out and try to sand it and paint it up. Hope I can get the match for the paint. But apart from that, that's everything. Everything looks good. Then the wheel liner on this side is missing as well. And this side, since it got kicked in, you can see all of this is pushed in. So like the wheel and the trunk side got pushed in. I'm gonna pull that out, and I hope I can come out like easily as the way it is. Then that's pretty much everything. Because if you see this side, you can see it's looking good straight, but the other side is bent. So that's everything. Let me pull out that wheel, see what is going on there, and then I'll. All right, so finally I pulled out the wheels. I pulled out both wheels just to get a comparison of that side too. And looking at this one, I really don't see any physical damage, but I don't know if you guys can pick it up. If you see right underneath, if you see right there, this piece is bent up. But if you look at the one on that side, if you look at the one on this side, it looks kind of like, looks like it's standing straight, but the other one on that side is bent. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna straighten that up, because I don't really know. I'm gonna heat it up, try to get it straightened. Because if you see in there, let me zoom in there again, you can see it does not look straight like the other side. All right, guys, so I'm finally done with the 2018 Nissan Altima. Remember, I ended up putting up a new bumper on the front. The bumper was missing, and also the back. We put a new bumper for the rear too. You guys can see it looks good. We got new tail light installed, and everything looks good and it matches well. And the other problem we had was the wheel was bent and tilted inside because of the accident, which it was hit on this side. And what I ended up doing, I tried to like straighten up the frame, but I was unable to do that. So I ended up just changing the whole subframe. Cost me, it took a little bit of time because, you know, if you're doing this without a lift, it's really difficult to do it. So it took me a lot of time just to get that subframe in. And also, this is the old subframe. As you guys can see, this is where it was damaged. You can see how it's bent in there. Then I'll show you guys this other side. As you guys can see, this is what I did. I cut it up on this side and try to straighten it up, but I was unable to get it straight. So you can see it's really bent and tilted in there. So that was causing the rear tire to be real tilt in there. So we got a new frame installed and everything looks good. It looks well. It's like the wheel finally straight now, and I think that's everything. Let me show you guys the interior. You can see the interior is looking good. Got it cleaned up and it's looking clean now. So that's gonna be the last update on this car. And with all that being said, thank you all for watching the channel. Keep subscribing to the channel and keep watching the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.